Welcome to another VarAC Wednesday. My name is Jason Johnson, amateur radio operator Kilo 3 Juliet Sierra Juliet. On behalf of myself and Mark, KB0US, welcome to our Week 32 recap. I want to go over the results of Week 32, as well as talk a little bit about our website that we recently revamped, and I'll talk about an operating award that we will be having to close out the 2025 year. So be sure to check out the video, the entire video, once we go over all the announcements for this past week, and you can learn more about the website as well as this special operating award. So for those of you who don't know about us, VarAC Wednesday is a group of ham radio operators from around the world. We meet every week on the radio bands. You can send us an email message to our Gmail box using a VarAC email gateway. Those are on HF, VHF, or UHF. I believe also there's an option to check in on satellite. You can follow us every week by checking out our website. We post announcements. You can do that by browsing the URL or scanning the QR code on the slide. You can also follow us on Facebook. We post frequently to the VarAHF group on Facebook. There's also the Telegram channel. And finally, you can find more information about our events by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the Week 32 recap. This past week, we had 240 operators check in, which is 2 down from the previous week. We had 11 first-time operators, which is down 6, and 104 email gateways were used to relay messages to our Gmail box this past week. We give the option to check in with your GPS coordinates, and if you do that, you get a green dot on our map. This last week, we had 141 operators check in with the GPS option, and that's almost 60% of all operators checking in with GPS, which is great. So let's keep that up and get those numbers up. We offer the Pioneer Award to any operator who has 20 check-ins for 2025, and I'm pleased to announce, Mark and I are pleased to announce a bumper group of pioneers. Kilo 4 Tango Hotel Romeo, Mark. Kilo Bravo 3, Charlie Mike Echo, Charles. Kilo Echo 8, Papa Lima Mike, Michael. Kilo Fox 8, Bravo Sierra Sierra, Dudley. Kilo 6, Quebec Mike Sierra, Clifford. November 0, Delta Delta Kilo, Manuel. November 2, November Victor Yankee, Jay. November 4, Tango Yankee Sierra, Dean. November 4, Whiskey X-Ray India, Billy. Oscar Echo 5, Hotel Mike Romeo, Martin. Sierra Mike 7, Delta Uniform Zulu, Igvar. Whiskey 4, Juliet Bravo Bravo, Joel. And finally, Zulu Sierra 4, Charlie Golf Romeo, Chris. So congratulations to the pioneers who joined us this last week. We have 3 weeks left in 2025, which is hard to believe. So go ahead and check out the website to see where you stand in the standings. And we have, as of today, there's 25 operators who have at least 17 check-ins. So that means that we can add at least 25 more to the list here in 2025. So let's welcome our new operators who joined us for the first time this past week. So thanks for those of you who found us on VarAC Wednesday. We're glad that you chose to check in with us last week. We hope that you will continue to check in each week, and we look forward to seeing you again. A couple announcements for everyone. The first is we have a new website. So Mark and I have been working diligently this past weekend, and we've changed the way we're going to do the website going forward. So we've revamped the navigation to make things a little bit easier, as well as providing some opportunities for us to kind of increase some of the automation and roll out some new features to the community going forward. So if you have bookmarked some of the sites, some of the pages on the site from previously, those links probably will be broken. So we'd encourage you to go ahead and go over to our website and find the pages you bookmarked and then rebookmark those. So I'll go ahead and take a look quickly at the website. We have navigation now. It's at the top of the screen, and we've kind of redone the menu system a little bit. You'll find all the applications that we have under the applications menu. So if you're interested in Superstation and finding more about the release of that next version, you can click on the Superstation link under the icon. The check-in generator is up on the new website and it's working just fine. And that's your easy button to check in each week with the net. And then finally, for those of you who'd like to check in using GPS, but maybe you haven't done that yet, I would encourage you to check out the GPS coordinate checker, where you'll find both a video as well as some materials under our training section that cover how you could format your check-in message with GPS coordinates. That involves setting up GPS on VarAC, and we encourage you to check that out. December the 24th and 31st will be the final Wednesdays. You have 2 weeks to prepare for this. We're rolling out a new award. It's called El Tío de la Vera. And for those of you who may not know, the developer of VarAC has based the name on a popular TV series that's kind of a Superman type character that's a parody on Spanish television. So we're ending the year by celebrating the heritage of the VarAC HF modem with kind of a fun award. So anyone who checks in the 24th and 31st, you guys will get your own certificate, which will be tailored to your call sign that you can post on your QRZ page, your social media accounts, or just even print it out and put it around your shack. It's another way to show that you check in each week with VarAC Wednesday. We've done a couple awards this past year. We did the Growth Award over the summer to kind of increase our numbers. We had the VarAC Wednesday Birthday Award to celebrate the 4th birthday of VarAC application itself. And we also, for those who participated in the Superstation public beta contest, we had a little beta fish on a certificate. And we had 29 operators turn in logs and received that particular award. And what a great way to close out the year with the LT de la Vara certificate. So week 33 is just ahead. We encourage everyone to mark your calendar. Be sure to check in on Wednesday, December the 17th. A quick Superstation update. I have version 0.1.7.5, which has been completed. Mark and I have been testing this out, and I plan to release that soon. So all the coding's been done for that. And as soon as we have it available, we'll be posting it on our website. Just a reminder again, the December the 24th and 31st, Christmas Eve, as well as New Year's Eve, is the El Tío de la Vera. So be sure to mark your calendars and check in then as well. And we will have a form that you can use on the website at some point in the near future, that if you check in, you will be getting one of these award certificates. Be sure to, like I said, follow us by marking our website in your web browser. You can also follow our post on the VarAC HF Facebook group, as well as the VarAC community on Telegram. And finally, I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post content about VarAC, Superstation, as well as other topics. So thanks for tuning in to watch another VarAC Wednesday video. This has been Jason, and on behalf of Mark and myself, we trust that you all are doing well. And until we see you again, 73.